Shall I put this here?
Yeah.
Cover everything with the egg.
Hello? Yes, because I see in the upstairs something. That's why I tell you. Upstairs something. That's why I tell you. Because why? Sometimes going the bathroom, going inside downstairs. Yeah. Wow, we put egg like this.
You have 2 more eggs? You have? Finish?
2 egg.
2 egg? Yeah, okay.
I need so many, but I'll finish with the 2 eggs.
Mom no like egg.
Huh?
Mom no like egg. Mom siya no like.
She eats. She loves this dish.
I put more for you. I give 3.
No, 2 is enough.
3 now, it's okay. Eat all, can eat.
Yeah, I'm making for all.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can give
Just
me-
you have to cut it like egg
One,
and
yeah.
cake and eat.
Oh, just like eating cake like that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's broken.
Okay, no problem.
It's here. Yeah. All can eat.
For the for.
Yeah. Oh my god. You thinking me? What happened this one is same airplane broken.
Airplane.
Huh? Same airplane broken.
Then put nuts.
Yeah.
Then cover, yeah? Cover.
Yeah, cool. Bake. Top.
Finish?